You know, I get a kick out of those Ford dealership commercials on TV. Now that they have a little inventory, they're panicking and going back to their old tricks, claiming they can sell a new Ford for $1 bazillion below MSRP, while others are just selling new Fords for way less than anybody else. But how can they when all the Ford dealerships pay exactly the same for their inventory, to the penny? If the vehicles are the same, they pay the same for it. So the prices are all going to be about the same at all Ford dealerships. Now remember, Sunset Ford has always told you the truth that those prices are all about the same everywhere. Sunset just gives you more, like warranty protection for life and oil changes for life, saving you literally thousands of dollars down the road. All Ford dealers could offer that. They just don't. And that's why we say,
you just get more at Sunset Ford.
And people do like that. Sunset Ford of Sumner, just down the hill from Bonney Lake on Highway 410 in Sumner.